Hello, guys. Welcome to Kaiser Chiefs True News Sports. Guys, first of all, please subscribe, share, comment, like, so that the channel can grow. Guys, I want to say this. Please stop following Ama rumors, because the rumors sometimes they can confuse you and then they mislead you, especially about what people have been saying about Serino discussing his transfer. That's why he left. I think there's a reason why Serino didn't go to Egypt. Um, First of all, on my side, I cannot say I know. I think maybe because what they told us, they said Serino was on suspension of yellow cards. I believe what they're saying. And the other thing is, Kaizer Chiefs, they know their strategy. They didn't want to use imported players. They just wanted to use certain players so that when we are playing a tough opponent, then we can use our best players. I think it's a good thing to do that. And the other thing, guys, I have been seeing a lot of players here training with the squad in Polokwane. It's not that when they are training, guys, they're going to play all of them. No. The simple thing is they are using a bus to travel to Polokwane, and the bus is too big. It's carrying a lot of people. So I think it's a good thing to also take your players with, so that they can learn, they can travel, they can feel the situation of traveling, and then you got to play. You understand? So they get used to travel, because now if you leave them behind and then they don't get used to travel when they're supposed to play, then you have to travel with them, and then you want them to play, they won't perform very well. So they have to understand the environment wherever they go. So I think people, they confuse themselves when they see players like Abo Batman, and then they like, no, Batman, which means he's going to play. Only the coaches, they know who's going to play. So as social media people, we have to wait and see. The only thing that we can tell people is to say, I want to put my squad, a predicted squad. So please, let's help each other and see who's supposed to be there, who's not supposed to be there, instead of confusing